everyone, I am Deepa Agrawal, Assistant Professor in SST College of Arts and Commerce. Today I am going to explain you core Java topic, that is if statements. So let's start with our topic. If statements is used to test the condition. It tests the Boolean condition. Boolean condition means true or false. There are four types of statements. First, if statement, it is also known as single statement. Second, if else statement. Third, if else if ladder. Fourth, nested if statement. So first we will see a single if statement. As you can see on your screen, there is a flow chart of if statement. First it checks the condition. If condition is true, it will execute the if block. If condition is false, it won't print any output. So you can see this is the drawback of if statement. Let's see an example. This is an example of if statement. In this example, we are checking the age. So first we will initialize a variable int age equal to 20. Now we are checking if age is greater than 18, then if condition is true, it will print the output age is greater than 18, otherwise it won't print any output. Second statement is if else statement. In this statement, it checks both the condition. If condition is true, it will execute the if block, and if condition is false, it executes the else block, as you can see in this flow chart. Now we will take the example of if else statement. In this example, we are checking the given number is even or odd. So first we initialize a number, that is int number equal to 13. Now we will check if number modulus 2 equal to 0. Means if condition is true, it will execute the system.out.println even number. If the remainder is not 0, it means condition is false, then it will print the number is odd. So in our case, the number is 13, so it will give the output odd number. Next type is if else if ladder. In this type, it checks the condition multiple times. See in this flow chart, first it will check the condition. If condition is true, it will come out and print the statement, and if condition is false, it will check the another condition. Like that, it can check n number of conditions. This is an example of if else if ladder. Here we are checking a number, that is 1500. We will check the number. First, if number is less than 100 and greater than and equal to 1, it will print it's a 2-digit number. So in our case, it is false. So it will go to the next step. Else if number is less than 1000 and number is greater than and equal to 100, then it will print it's a 3-digit number. Again this condition is false in our case, then it go to the next step. Else if number is less than 10,000 and number is greater than equal to 1000. Now in our case it is true. So it will give the output it's a 4-digit number. Now fourth type is nested if statement. When there is an if statement inside another if statement, then it is called the nested if statement. But the condition is the first if statement should be true, then only it will check the inside if statement block. This is the flow chart of if statement. It will check the condition. If condition is true, it will go to the next condition, otherwise it will come out from the if statement. This is an example of nested if nested if statement. Here we are checking two conditions, age and weight. So first we will initialize two variables, age equal to 20 and weight equal to 48. Now we will check the condition. If age greater than and equal to 18, if it is true, it will check the another condition. If weight is greater than 50, then it will print you are eligible to donate the blood. But in our case the second condition is not true, so it will come to the else part and it will print you are not eligible to donate the blood. Thank you.